Actually, I hear a girl, but I don't see your name. Then who are you? Oh, that is so Sharon or Jason. I don't say. Of course. Oh, yeah. I forgot, but let's see tomorrow. In which time? Around? Okay, around 10. Yeah, of course, why not? I will reality comedy. Okay. Yeah. How many friends? Yes. Me. And extra 2 friends. Then you two, you should bring your extra 2 2 women or 2 girls, maybe as you get or you wish. Okay, toh. Hang no. Where? In fit, please. Okay. As you wish and you choose, please, I will come with you, okay? Don't worry about this. What to do? I will do it. Everything will be alright. Yeah. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Good night and maybe advance good morning. Right. Let's see tomorrow, okay? Right. Okay. Mwah.